So we're going to look at some factorising questions here. And so if you understood the last video, go ahead and have a go with these. Start off, do a couple, then watch the first part of the video. So if you're ready, let's get going here. So we want to factorise fully. So factorising is putting the brackets back in. And so we first of all want to identify what's going to come out in front of the brackets. And so looking at 2 and 8, they're both in the 2 times table. So 2 is a number that I can bring out in front of a bracket. Now, if 2 is in front, I'm going to have x there because 2 times x gives me 2x, and 2 times 4 would give me 8, so I would need 4 there. The second one, looking at this, 4x take away 12, so 4 and 12, they're both in the 4 times table. That's the largest times table they're both in. Or we could think about it, the highest common factor of 4 and 12 is 4. And so if 4 comes out in front, we're going to need x there. 4 times x is 4x, and 4 times negative 3 give us the negative 12 or the minus 12, the second part there. So if that makes a little bit more sense, keep going and have a go with the rest of them, and then keep watching the video for the rest of the solutions. So continuing on here, we've got 4b and 20. The highest common factor of the 4 and the 20, or the largest times table they both fall in, is the 4 times table. And so we're going to need b there. 4 times b is 4b, and we would need 5. 4 times 5 is 20. Now we've got 16 and 2t. The highest common factor of that will be 2. And so then 2 times 8 would give us 16, and 2 times t will give us the 2t part. Now we've got 3 and 15q, or negative 15q. The highest common factor of 3 and 15 will be 3. And so 3 times 1 we'll need, and take away 3 times 5q will give us 15q. Now we've got 5c and 25, highest common factor, or the largest times table they're both in, is 5. And we'll need c plus 5. 5 times 5 is 25. Now we've got 10 and 35, so the highest common factor, or largest times table they both fall in, again will be 5. So 5 will need 2x. 5 times 2x is 10x, and 5 times 7 will be 35. And here we've got 16 and 6u. The highest common factor is going to be 2. And so 2 times 8 is 16, plus 3u. 2 times 3u will give 6u. And here we've got 20 and minus 8. The largest number that can come out will be 4. That's the highest common factor of 20 and 8. And so 4 times 5b, and 4 times negative 2. All right, so I hope that made sense.